Subok-subukan ninyo na impeach ang Vice President. I will suggest to her that she should engage me as her defense counsel.
Yeah!
There is only one office. There is no other office mandated to audit and examine expenditures of public funds. Only the Commission on Audit. Pag sinasabi ko, walang hustisya ang ginagawa natin, you are not following the rule of law. Tinanggal nila ako sa Justice Committee. Kasi i-impeach nila yung Vice President. Para hindi na ako siguro makasali, tinanggal nila ako sa Justice Committee. Ang sabi ko sa kanila, yun ang akala nyo. Subok-subukan ninyo na i-impeach ang Vice President. I will suggest to her that she should engage me as her defense counsel.
Yeah!
Kasi mali na po ang nangyayari. Wala nang hustisya. Sabi ko sa kanila, bakit ninyo sinusuri ang confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President? Why? If you are honest in trying to enact a particular law, kasi po, inquiry in aid of legislation. There are more than 400 offices and agencies of government, beneficiaries of confidential funds. They were also notified by the COA. Meron silang audit observation memo. Bakit yung opisina lang ng Vice President ang ating iniimbestigahan kung talagang hindi kayo namumulitika? 400 offices ayaw nyong imbestigahan. Only the office of the Vice President. Politika po ito. Pangalawa, sabi ko, yung pag-audit, yung pag-examine ng mga papel, ng mga reports about public expenditures, ito po'y trabaho ng COA. There is only one office. There is no other office mandated to audit and examine expenditures of public funds. Only the Commission on Audit. Ang sabi ko, bakit po natin ginagawa ang trabaho ng COA? Kayo naman, Commission on Audit, bakit nyo sinurrender ang inyong tungkulin? Meron pong problema dito, sabi ko. Nilalabag natin ang saligang batas.